What?
Okay. Cut out, so I guess this will be the second part. I don't know what's going on with my camera. 2013 rookie card, Kasim Green from Chicago Bears. Santonio Holmes from New York Jets. Future franchise, Jonathan Dwyer from Pittsburgh Steelers. Golden Tate from Seattle Seahawks. I'm sure somebody will want this card, seeing as how they just won. Road to the Super Bowl, Ravens. Ryan Tannehill. I will be keeping this one. It's from the Dolphins. Rookie card, Cornelius card rating from San Francisco. Josh Freeman, he's no longer even there. He's not a franchise for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Future franchise, Russell Wilson. This, I'm sure somebody's definitely gonna want. So for this one, I definitely want to see what people are looking to pay for that. That is a dope card. Glad I pulled that. It's very sweet. Alright, we got Marquise Colston, New Orleans Saints. Vincent Jackson, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Colin Kaepernick, I'm sure people will want him. San Francisco 49ers. Rookie card for Sharif Floyd for Minnesota Vikings. Adrian Peterson, franchise, Minnesota Vikings. I'm sure somebody will want that. Cam Newton, Carolina Panthers. Future franchise, it says. Alright. So we got Jermaine Gresham from Cincinnati Bengals. Jacoby Ford from Oakland Raiders. We got Christian Ponder, who's probably not going to play, for Minnesota Vikings. Rookie Alec Ogletree, linebacker for the Rams. Oh yay, Tom Brady from the New England Patriots, my favorite friend. Yep. You got Alright, future franchise, Demarius Moore from the Oakland Raiders. And it's the last one. This is from Topps. Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis, Bengals. Fred Davis from the Redskins. Frank Gore, I'm sure somebody will want that, from San Fran. Marshawn Lynch, Seattle Seahawks. I'm sure definitely somebody will want that. Feel free to PM me. And Marcus Wheaton will be the last one from Pittsburgh Steelers. I liked most of those. I'm sure there's people will want those. Feel free to let me know, especially for those rookies. The only card I'll be keeping is this one because Dolphins are my team. Don't be hating. I don't want to hear no comments hating on the Dolphins. Alright guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.